this is my pancake, not about your chocolate. What is this? Okay, there we go. Focus on me, focus on me. So I'm gonna do the pancake cereal. If you ask me myself, I don't understand what the hell it is. Actually, I saw a few clips. It looks like I'm seeing small mushrooms, tiny mushrooms, like just I don't know how to explain it. Anyway, I use the crepe butter because I make crepes, not pancakes. I can make pancake bread. Can I? Is that possible? Anything's possible, right? Yeah. Okay, first of all, let me tie my hair so that I don't get anything into food. We good. Look at it. It's so thick. Like me. I'm going to pour the mix inside a bottle and then cover the bottle and pierce the, what's it called?
The bumper.
No. Jobe, leave my frame.
She wants to be with you. What is it? Jobe wants to be introduced to. You have to do a twin tag.
I poured the pancake mix into a bottle and I'm going to pierce the bottle. Make sure it's... Oh my gosh! I don't think that's right. It's meant to be like a circle and now it looks like a straight line. Oh my gosh, I didn't do this right. But whatever, it's fine.
Round one.
Going to put this on the fire. Increase the fire a bit. And then I'm going to pour this into my frying pan. Ooh, this actually works. I think my pancakes are way too small. Wait, let me make them bigger. They don't even look round. They look very shapeless. I don't even need that much oil. Whoa, I'm actually making them. Oh my gosh. Ah! Oh my gosh. I'll put it in my cow bowl. Okay, so actually next round, I think I'm going to reduce the oil because I don't need that much oil.
Round two.
Okay, now I'm going to do it again. And this time I reduce the oil. Wow. Ah, yeah.
What was it?
I poured too much. Oh my gosh.
What was it?
What was it? What was the reason? Jobe, this is my pancake, not about your chocolate. That's advertisement right there. Oh no, I made a pancake sandwich right here.
Oh my god, wait, let me zoom that in.
Do you see that?
You're still worse.
What?
Hey yo, check.
Yo, this cereal actually looks really good.
Is that cereal?
It actually does.
Check me out.
Check me out. Boom, bam,
Bam.
pop,
Ba-da-ba,
boom, pow. Oh!
I would say that the small pieces stuck to the side of the pan are actually the cereals.
No, cereal is not this tiny.
Like, look at that. It's the cereal. Like, look,
This
guys,
is-
don't you think that?
This is the cereal. Don't look at that. That one is bread.
Dairy.
This is cereal.
What the fuck is that? Jesus Christ. I will never eat that. Oh, sorry. I will eat that.
After my hard work of doing this, yeah, no cereals.
No.
Joe, do you think this is enough?
Yeah, that's fine. That should be fine.
I mean, it's just pancake in smaller pieces. I think I poured too much milk. What is this? I spent 2 hours making this. What is this? It's weird because it's not crunchy, it's soft. What is this, honey? I don't know, there's just this taste. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's soft, it's chewy, and it's weird. It's not that bad, but it is actually. And I don't know if I'll do this again, but it was fun. It was fun doing this. Thanks TikTok for encouraging me to be creative. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you later. Peace.